What's up, guys? Came home for lunch today and I had another box waiting for me. This is Box of Dread. It's my first Box of Dread. Not 100% sure what to expect. It's a little smaller than I was expecting though. But let's take a look at it here. Okay. This looks, yeah, it's a drawstring bag. Upside down, of course. All cheerleaders die. Okay. Drawstring bag. Might be handy at a convention or something. Looks like promotional postcards. That's cool. Probably a set of them. Yeah, quite a few in there. A surgical mask. Aftermath. And if you haven't got it already, this is like a it's Box of Dread. They do promotional stuff for movies and horror and stuff like that. This is Stan Winston's school. Oh, character arts. Okay, so it's like a special effects, I'm assuming. That's cool. Cool sticker. Bottle opener. It's a Cthulhu bottle opener magnet. That'll be on my fridge. Cthulhu air freshener. Okay. A couple other ones we could get, I guess. Cthulhu's always awesome, though. Wonder what it smells like. Doesn't say. What's this? Oh, looks like a discount on if you want to do a subscription at this school, I'm assuming. Okay. Cabin fever patient 0. This is hand sanitizer. That's funny. Take that back to work. Temporary tattoo that looks like a wound, festering wound. Okay. Is that it? And that is it. Okay, guys, so just to recap, we got the postcard set. We have a cool sticker over here, temporary tattoo, the Cthulhu bottle opener, which is actually really cool, the Cthulhu air freshener. We have the surgical mask and the drawstring bag and the cabin fever patient 0 hand sanitizer. Overall, I mean, I'm not entirely too impressed with this box, to be honest. I really like the Cthulhu bottle opener, but I think that's the coolest thing. I don't know. I'll give them another month, see if they can impress me. Anyways, I should be getting my Loot Crate any day now, so keep an eye out for that video. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks again. Have a good night.